Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll explain how to see last seen on Telegram if hidden using a simple trick inside the app. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android phone. This is the main app where all chats and contact activity are shown. Step 2. Tap on the Contacts tab to open your contacts list. Telegram automatically organizes this list based on recent activity. Step 3. Look at the contacts sorted at the top of the list. People who are recently active usually appear higher in this section. Step 4. Check the status shown under each contact's name, such as last seen recently, last seen today, or last seen within a week. These labels mean the person is sharing partial last seen information. Step 5. Notice if a contact shows no last seen status at all. This means their last seen is fully hidden or restricted and you are unable to view it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips and tutorials.